The people that will come to the exhibition these 3 days, what can see here?
We have sasami and shout. Mainly we have 2 brands, and from shout now slow jigging is getting popular and popular, not only Greece or Europe, including Japan. And we have some new products for slow jigging. And people, if you want to have some products from slow jigging, you can come to Alyssandratos. You can find the products.
And products of slow jigging, of course.
Yes.
Hooks or tackles?
Yes, from jigs and hooks and assist hooks.
And I wish that maybe I will have you every year together with Miss Alyssandratu, of course.
Yes, yes. We have a long cooperation and we know each other very well. So I hope we have a long cooperation. Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.